Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm going to share a little bit about Grove Collaborative with you and how it works. And then I'm also sharing my latest haul from them where I picked up all of the new Mrs. Meyers holiday scents. So if you've been watching my videos for any amount of time, you know that I love Grove Collaborative, and I've gotten some questions on how it actually works and what I've bought that I liked from there. And so I thought I would just do a quick intro to show you that, and then we'll go into the haul. So I actually first discovered Grove through another YouTuber, Jen from How Jen Does It. I'm behind on her videos right now, but I used to watch her a lot. She does a lot of food and cleaning videos as well, and I always heard her talking about it, and so I decided to sign up myself. So if you're interested in checking it out, I do have a link in my description box where you can go, and if you click on that link, this is what will pop up. So at the front or at the top, it'll say your friend Jennifer referred you. And then once you sign up, you can pick a free Mrs. Meyers 5-piece gift set. And then you also get an extra, either like a spray bottle or a dish soap or scrubber sponge. I really do like their scrubber sponges. So yeah, that is what the link will look like when you click on it. And I'm going to show you my account just so you can kind of get an idea of how it works. But I do have the VIP program, and there is some information about that on their website. And basically it's just a program where it costs $19.99 a year, so about $20 a year. You can try it free for 2 months. To me, it makes sense because you get shipping on every single order over $15, which is obviously not hard to spend $15. And then also you get 4 exclusive gifts every year, and you also get access to the new Mrs. Meyers scents before anyone else does. So to me, it is definitely a great perk, and I would recommend it. And I've talked about this before, but the reason that I really like Grove is because I can get access to all of these products without having to go out of my way to find them. So like, I live in a town where we only have Walmart, we don't have Target. And so it's hard for me to get to Target to get the new Mrs. Meyers scents and method and just different things that I want to try and clean my home with. So to me, it makes sense to just have those delivered right to my door. Also, it's very convenient because you can text them. They have like a phone number that you can text if you have questions or if you want something price matched. But every month you will have different things added to your cart depending on what you've bought in the past. And if you buy so much, then you see over here where you can get a free gift. So like if I would place this order right now, I would get a free Grove cleaning caddy. You can take things out of your cart and it will tell you up here that your next order will ship, what the date is and when it will arrive. You can change your ship date. You can skip months. To me, it's just very convenient, and they definitely do send email and text reminders when your shipment is coming up so you won't miss it. But yeah, I just thought I would kind of share a little bit about that, and now we will get into the haul. Okay, so this is how the box usually comes packed. I like it because they ship UPS, and like I said, if you have the VIP membership, which is I think like $19.99 a year, you get free shipping on every order, which is totally worth it. So in each order, they will send you a packing slip, which I really like because then I can sort of go through and remember everything I got and check it off one by one to make sure that I have everything. And then this is something new that they've been doing, just kind of sending this little flyer in with your order, which will tell you some of the new products they have and some of the upcoming products they have. So I'm going to go ahead and unpack this and put everything out on the counter, and then I'll show you what I got. One other thing I wanted to mention before I tell you what I got was that they're really great about packing all of these cleaners up so that so they don't leak in transit. So you can see here that they have this tape over basically anything that's liquid. So I really appreciate that because there's nothing worse than getting a shipment where everything is all like gross and messy inside because it leaked. Okay, so basically the main point of this order that I did was to pick up the new Mrs. Meyers holiday scents. So I'll talk about those in a second. But I did want to mention, and you know that I always tell you guys if I try something and I don't like it, you know, this video is not sponsored. There's no like really incentive for me. So I always like to be honest about that. But one thing I wanted to mention was the new product that they have through Grove. It's actually their own brand. It's a hand soap and dish soap. It's in the pomegranate and red currant. So I actually got this in my last order. This is the dish soap and the hand soap. And I really do love the glass bottles, but I have to tell you that I don't really enjoy the scent of this. It's not even that I don't enjoy the scent, it's that it doesn't really have a scent. And if I'm using something that is supposed to smell like pomegranate and red currant, to me it's just, there's no scent to it. And if I'm gonna do dishes, I would rather do, you know, have something that smells really good, because that's the whole point of buying this stuff, right? So I'll probably keep this stuff. Maybe I'll put this up in one of the bathrooms or something, and you know, save this for in case I ever run out of dish soap. But I just wanted to mention that if you guys have tried it and you like it, let me know. I'd be interested to see if you like it. But anyway, let me show you what I got real quick. So I got this 3-pack of bath bombs. I believe these are the kids set, and it includes birthday cake, chocolate mint, and creamsicle. I've been trying to use these on Connor every so often during the winter. His skin gets really dry, and especially since he's also in swim and he's in the pool like 5 to 6 days a week, his skin really dries out. And so I find that if I use these along with some lotion after he gets out of the bath, that really helps. This is also a newer product. It's one of their flour sack towels, which I really like, but the pattern is new. It's a eucalyptus pattern. So I grabbed that. I grabbed these things for, actually I'm starting to kind of do my Christmas shopping or collect things for Christmas, and I thought these would be fun to put in Kira's stocking. She's only 9, but she does like to play around with makeup and face masks and stuff like that. So I got some of these Acure Micellar water cleansing towelettes, and then I also got her this paper mask. It's the Yes to Cotton. And then I also got her these rejuvenating under eye hydrogels. I've actually tried these before. They're really good if you keep them in the refrigerator and use them. They're super refreshing. So I got those 3 things. And then I also picked up another package of these walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges. I have replaced my like old Scotch-Brite green and yellow scrubbers with these. So I usually try to pick up a package about every other month that I order from Grove, and I really like them. I just like the look of them over the, you know, the ones that you get at Walmart. But anyway, got those. So for the Mrs. Meyers scents, I went ahead and got all 3. So I got the orange clove scent, so the dish soap, hand soap, and multi-surface spray. And then I also got the Iowa pine because I live in Iowa, so I obviously have to represent. But actually they had this scent last year also, and it smells really good. It's like a spruce scent. So I got, this came in a 4-piece. It came with the hand soap, multi-surface spray, and dish soap, and it came with a candle as well. So I got that. And then I also got the peppermint scent. So this actually smells a little bit stronger. I don't know if you guys remember last year at some point, Mrs. Meyers had I don't know if it was called sweet mint or what it was, but it was like in a light teal colored container. And so this smells stronger, and it's definitely like a Christmassy peppermint smell, but I do like it. So I got the hand soap, dish soap, and multi-surface spray, and this one also came with the peppermint scent lotion. So looking forward to using that. This was my freebie item this time. So if I didn't mention that before, if you are in the VIP program and you spend, it's right around like $50. Usually they will throw in a free gift. So this is the blood orange hand sanitizer gel, and this is actually my 3rd bottle of this. I keep it on my desk at work, so I've used it and I know I like it. These I love, love, love. So this is the Method Laundry Fragrance Boosters in the Beach Sage. Even if you guys don't use Grove, try to find these at Target or somewhere, because this scent smells awesome. I've usually used like Downy and Gain scent boosters, but I've since switched over to this, and I've even bought the detergent also that matches this, and it smells really good. I would totally recommend these. And then lastly, one other thing they've started carrying is ground coffee, which I think is really cool. And this is my second bag of this Larry's coffee. This is the Frenchy French dark roast. And so, yeah, we've already gone through almost a whole bag of this, so I wanted to get a replacement. So that is what I got. I just wanted to share with you guys because I've had some questions about what Grove Collaborative is and how it works. And so I just thought I would kind of walk through the process of ordering and showing you what I got. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.